Good morning. Today we'll be presenting about Daimler.
Daimler is one of the biggest producers of premium cars and the world's biggest manufacturer of commercial vehicles with a global reach. Over the years, Daimler has been setting standards in vehicle safety with technical innovation, introducing more and more optimized systems and new technological methods in production. Daimler has refined the field of automobile industry and has developed vehicles that customers want by incorporating new technologies. Daimler is the pioneer in advancements of technology in the automobile industry like the infotainment system, MBUX, Mercedes Benz user experience, and Ask Mercedes, which have been adopted by other car manufacturers in the industry as well. Mercedes Benz, the three-pointed star, consequently invests in development of intelligent connectivity, autonomous vehicles, and new mobility concepts, adding real value for the customers and drawing their attention to innovative functions of the vehicle. This report includes introduction and analysis of Daimler's resources in fields of AI, robotics, and data and machine learning, and ways they are included in their manufacturing processes, cybersecurity, and future vehicles.
Now moving on to Intelligent Information Hub.
Ask Mercedes allows customers to experience intelligent customer interaction through speech chatbots and augmented reality within a mobile application, Android or iOS. Bots offer immediate help, combining an intelligent dialogue technology with the latest speech-to-text, text-to-speech, and natural language understanding technology. Questions about the usage of the car can be answered by Ask Mercedes. At Daimler, they have built a centralized platform that ensures a cost-efficient and fast realization of individual solutions, whilst leveraging the synergy potential from dozens and other bots. Daimler has recently developed and piloted an appointment booking and status tracking voice bot to support their retail partners by using intelligent FAQ and support functions.
Moving on to Mercedes-Benz User Experience, also known as MBUX.
Mercedes-Benz user experience, shortly as MBUX, is going to make its debut in brand new S-Class. This technology has been one of the biggest innovative advancements in the history of Mercedes and generally of car industry. Integration of MBUX has made the interior of new S-Class much more digital and intelligent, as well as it opened vast opportunities for Mercedes to make inside car services personalized to the driver or other passengers of the vehicle. UX is the suite of technologies that uses artificial intelligence and augmented reality that creates advanced infotainment system. One of the features of MBUX is the voice assistant, which is activated through using keyword "Hey Mercedes." The voice assistant can help you with anything. Additionally, once the voice assistant learns the voice of the particular user, it will have an ability to recognize who is talking and have an access to one's profile on Mercedes Me app to make this service even more personalized. By the use of cloud and MBUX, Mercedes achieved to make its services personalized to the users, not only to the particular car but also to any Mercedes cars that has MBUX integrated in it. Any personal settings or preferences such as favorite radio or the positioning of the seat now can be transferred to the other cars with MBUX.
The next topic we'll be talking about is combustion engine research.
Daimler is a brand that applies machine learning methods to its advanced combustion engine research project with the aim to optimize combustion engines, decrease emissions, and increase their petrol engine's efficiency, leaving a lower carbon footprint while increasing performance. More specifically, they will be using machine learning methods to predict cycles of high indicated mean effective pressure of their flagship engines. This model will provide them an insight into important flow field patterns that can be used for systematic engine optimization in the future.
Next, we'll be talking about Factory 56.
Factory 56 is a modern workplace designed to meet the employee's individual requirements by providing increased flexibility and efficiency in operations. This is done by implementing technologies and processes with three key terms in mind: digital. In this new factory, not only will they have a photovoltaic system on the roof generating green energy supply into the halls, but they will also be implementing driverless transport systems called tech lines to make it easier for automated activities and increase efficiency in the production.
Next, we'll be talking about 3D printing in manufacturing.
Daimler launched the Next-Gen AM project with the goal of creating a digital production line that could produce aluminum parts for the aerospace and automotive industry in a much more profitable manner. The idea was to merge the competencies of three strategic partners to anchor the principle of the Industry 4.0. This technology uses a metal powder supply and selective laser melting to create spare parts at a large scale. However, the only key challenge is that there is a requirement of a very accurate digital model of the component being printed, even to the nearest micrometers.
Next, we'll be talking about autonomous cars. Autonomous cars provide intelligent drive assistance systems with functions like: by using smartphones, drivers can maneuver their vehicle into tight parking spaces and garages with the help of remote parking assist. Assist by making the speed preset and the Distronic to reduce or increase accordingly to routes like bends, junctions, and roundabouts. Assist the driver during lane changes by using long radar and camera monitors behind, front, and alongside of the vehicle in order to avoid accidents. This function breaks the vehicle to standstill if it detects the driver is no longer active by monitoring steering wheel movement. This feature adapts speed automatically with speed controls stored in the navigation system. For instance, if a driver is driving on no-limit country roads with a speed limit of 50 km to 100 km per hour, then the speed will be adjusted between the stored speed limit. The next topic we'll be discussing is plug-in hybrid technology.
In their hybrid cars, an electric motor that is powered by a lithium-ion battery that can be charged both at the charging station or by the combustion engine. Daimler has optimized the charging efficiency in their batteries with the capability of using a direct current charger to charge up the battery from 0 to 80% within 25 minutes. All the hybrid cars are equipped with something called efficient electric performance through recuperation.
Next we'll be talking about is night driving simulator.
Night driving simulator that consists of all necessary functionalities, components of a car, and a projector at the front to animate night driving experiences to develop light system. The simulator is sophisticated that the system inputs the vehicle's digital control unit that is triggered by the car's motion and an assistance system and virtually showing the lights through the projector.
Now we'll be moving on to electromagnetic waves.
Mercedes has electromagnetic testing lab in Germany that they test electromagnetic compatibility and radio frequency antenna systems and electric infrastructures. The lab's four major goals are no interruption disturbance between systems, least effect on the driver passenger from the magnetic field and radio frequency, no effect on the systems by external electromagnetic interference, maximizing reception of antennas for optimal reception. All of these issues are addressed and tested in their isolated building where electro waves are contained.
The next topic we'll be covering is the navigation systems.
So most of the information is received from European location service companies here in TomTom and also other platforms such as Yelp and TripAdvisor. All these companies and platforms are on the cloud that makes the modern navigation systems ultimately flexible and expandable. Technology platform, which is owned by Daimler, BMW, Audi, and other major car-making companies, uses electronic horizons that gives vehicles the information about the details of road in advance. Integration of this kind of technology will ensure safe and reliable transportation by.
The next topic we'll be discussing is cybersecurity.
Mercedes-Benz has made sure to implement high security protection equipment that helps prevent vandalism and theft. The security system is called the Urban Guard and is available for all model series. They made two separate packages, Urban Guard Vehicle Protection and Urban Guard Vehicle Protection Plus. They both feature constant monitoring of movement around the vehicle whilst it's parked. Additionally, along with the standard alarm system, the Urban Guard can detect visual as well as hear movement within the vehicle and also location change in the case of an illegal towing. This same feature helps protect the car in the event of a collision and locks its brakes, preventing further movement of the car. The high-tech software immediately sends a message to the driver with a comprehensive report, allowing them to see the extent of the damage and the location of the vehicle in the case of an attempted tow away. The Urban Guard Plus is even more sophisticated and will still be able to locate the vehicle despite if the criminal was able to damage and inactivate the tracking function. These revolutionary features and capabilities of the Urban Guard have excelled Mercedes-Benz in the world of car protection, allowed them to stay ahead of their competitor.
The next topic we'll be discussing is social media.
In today's world, social media is an incredibly important tool for businesses to expand their audience and create long-lasting customer relationships. Mercedes-Benz has a team specifically in charge of running social media and strategically staying connected with their customers. Recently, they used their social platforms to broadcast important information regarding the significance of staying alert and healthy during the current pandemic. The information regarded tips on hygiene, staying away from high-risk groups, and acting responsibility in this time of crisis. With over 50 million followers throughout their social media channels, they are able to get their message across to a vast audience, apparently helping to prevent the spread of COVID-19 virus. As seen, they are able to take advantage of their social platforms and send an important message, as well as be recognized as a caring company. This reputation helps create a more personalized connection with their following, as well as create a competitive edge against their competitors that have not acted in the same manner.
In conclusion, we can say Daimler's technology will continuously grow and it will be able to maintain its successful position in the market as it invests a lot on its technological sector.